Hello everyone, Tony here. In this video I want to show you two tools every internet marketer needs. The first tool generates me a lot of leads on a daily basis. So I'm going to show you that one right now. This is our Fast Start Inviter tool. Basically what it does is sends a message to people on your friends list, ask them to be interested in looking at an opportunity. This is a generic message, so you can actually use this for whatever opportunity you want to promote. So you just don't have to use it for the company that has this inviter. So that's the great thing about it. What it does is it sends 10 messages a day, and it sends a message between 9 a.m. in the morning and 8 p.m. at night. You can see when you load your friends list, you can go ahead and check uncheck people you don't want to send messages to. Or if you want, you can permanently put them on lists where they won't be invited. So that's the cool part about that. Like I said, I've been getting leads with this tool on a daily basis, so I've always got people I can send to my opportunity now just because of this tool here. And I've had sales and signups just by using this tool. And also the great thing about this tool is if you're interacting with people in the messaging, even people that say no, they're not interested. The great thing about that is by interacting with these people, they're seeing your profile more, so you'll see more of your posts. So that's the great thing about that. I even had someone the other day that said no, they weren't interested in the looking at another opportunity, but later on that day I posted a post on my timeline, and they ended up being interested in taking a look at what I had going on. So that's the great thing. This is an awesome tool. If you're marketing anything online, you definitely need this tool. So once you do that, you can hit start inviting, and this is what the inviting screen looks like. It'll tell you how many you sent. 0 out of 10. I haven't sent it. Well, I actually restarted it, so that's why it says 0 out of 10. Tells you when the next one's going to send, so it's waiting till 9 a.m. in the morning. So you can pause it and cancel and get back to the other screen. But I usually just open up a Chrome browser and then just minimize it and just let this run on autopilot. So that's a great thing about it. It's an awesome tool. Definitely, you definitely want to use this tool. That's that one. So let's get to the next one. The next one is an autoresponder that our company just released. They call it the emailer, HBA emailer. I know a lot of you may be using GetResponse or Aweber. This is meant to replace that. I'm actually going to end up replacing my Aweber with this. And the cool thing about this autoresponder is there's no monthly cost. It comes with your membership into HBA. What it is, it's a way they have it work is that you get a credit balance. They give you 300 credits for free, and you just buy the pay-as-you-go autoresponder basically. As you can see, 15,000 credits you can get for $15, which is a really good deal. That's 15,000 messages that you can send. And also, the great thing about this is every time someone buys these credits, you earn $5 of that. So that's a cool deal there. And so you go to your settings. You can use that default sending address, or you can also add your own. I'm going to add my own domain in there, so I have my own personalized email. So go to that. Forms. You can set up a form to use on your capture pages. One good thing about our opt-in pages is it's got bot protection, triple layer bot protection. And then also another huge plus is the email validation, which works very well to make sure that you're not getting fake addresses and things like that. And then the autoresponder sequences itself. This is the defaults that come with it, our Fast Start Inviter, and then that sends them to this turnkey completed. contacts. You can also import your contacts from Aweber or GetResponse. It'll go in there and actually validate all your emails. You don't want to use this for like leads that you buy, so definitely don't do that. Never do that to an autoresponder and then your broadcast. So very easy autoresponder to use, which is a great thing about that. So if you want more information and to get to that emailer, once you get inside, it's over here on the side. It's called HBA Emailer. And to get to that script, the Facebook, the Fast Inviter tool, that's over here in your affiliate training, affiliate fast start. And you got a script here. It's right there. You just download it and set it up. But that's it. I want to keep this video short. And as far as cost, the only thing that you need to buy to get access to those two tools, if that's the only thing you want, is the Let's Go product, which is $10 a month. So for $10 a month, you can get that Inviter tool and your own autoresponder. Okay, to get started, there'll be a link below this video. Once you click that link, it'll take you to a page. It looks just like this. Just put in your information, go to the next page. You get started as low as $10. That'll give you access to the Fast Start Inviter and also the autoresponder. Anyway, take care. Have a great day. Look forward to working with you.